Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this wired earphone to Google TV Streamer 4K device. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV Streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. We need a sound card like this. Let me connect this aux pin from this wired earphone to this sound card. Okay, done. Then I am going to connect this sound card to this USB hub. Okay, done. See, this is a setup. Using this USB sound card, we can connect this wired earphone to Google TV Streamer 4K device. So you can try this. After this, you can play some video or audio in this Google TV Streamer. That should work. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.